already went in and did my eyebrows and also primed my eyelids. I did use the NYX pencil for my eyebrows. Okay, so I am going to be using Element of Surprise by ColourPop. I did decide to use this because it's super affordable and it has all these cool colors in it. So I am going to go ahead and go in with this color right here. It is going to be my transition color, and I am just going to take a fluffy brush for that. I'm going to be taking the Morphe M502 brush, like that, and just blending it on my eyelid. And you probably won't be able to see this too well because it's so light. Even like I can barely see it here on my own skin. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the same fluffy brush. I made a mess. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Oh, it actually has the colors in the back. So it is Go With The Flow. So this one right here. And I'm using the same brush. I'm just going to go put that in the outer corners and blend it right in to my transition color. So it's pretty much just working as a transition color as well. Just a little darker. Slowly darkening it up. Now I am going to go in with the color Details, which is this right here. And I'm just going to go in with my Morphe M441. I'm just going to tap it in there. And again, I'm just going to go right into the outer area of my eye. Just keep it a little lower this time. And I'm going to go right in my crease with it. And the reason I use this brush is because it is pointy at the end, but it's still fluffy to blend everything, so it'll still go right in the crease and blend everything out so it's not so harsh. I actually started this video not knowing what I was going to do, so I'm kind of just winging it. I'm just thinking as I go. All I know is that I only have one palette to work with, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Sea Stars, which is this little brown, has a little bit of a sparkle to it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to go right in my crease with this. And again, I'm just doing swiping motion. Sorry if you can see my mirror. It's the only way I have to be able to see myself. Now that that is on, I'm going to go back into that Details, which is this one right here. This little guy right here. And I'm just going to blend it in the outer corner because I don't want this crease to look super sharp in the outer corner, and I don't want to darken it up either. I am going to go in with my Fit Me concealer. I do use it in the color Sand Sable, which is 20, and it looks like this. So this, you guys are really going to be able to see my mirror because I need to pull it as close as I can to me. Right after I went ahead and applied concealer on my lid, before it starts to crease, I'm going to take the color Subdue, and it is this really pink color. I'm just going to set it right on my lid. So now I am going to go in with the color Feels. It is this one right here. And I am actually going to take, this is the brush that one of the Urban Decay palettes comes with, one of the Naked palettes. I'm just going to use this as a little transition shade. Okay guys, and I am now going to take the NYX Set It and Don't Fret It. It is in the color Light, and I'm going to use this to blend my eyeshadow. So now for primer, I am going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil. I am also going to go in with the Baby Skin. Now I am going to go in with my foundation. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I'm now going to go back into that Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to use it to highlight and cover my under eyes. So I'm going to go in with the NYX powder, the same one that I used earlier, just to set everything. And I'm actually, while that sets in, I am going to go back in with my NYX. So now I'm going to go in with this little fluffy brush. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and move on to bronzer / contour. Okay, so as my contour, I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer, and it is in the color medium. Let me show you guys. And I am going to take the Morphe M530. I'm just going to tap it on in here and start. So I did notice that powder by the one I used to set under my eyes is super fine. So it actually looks like it covered up some of my pores, but at the same time it looks like it seeped into some of my pores on my nose. So it's never done that to me before. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that same brush, and I am going to use this Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It is in the color Sunshine, and it looks like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and swipe away that powder and see how my pores are looking, because I cannot do large pores. I don't know how I feel about this powder. I used it a few times before and I liked it. And now, I don't know. So before I go in with my highlight, I am going to go back into my ColourPop my ColourPop palette, and I'm going to use the color Rayon, and it's this right here. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to use that same color that I just used in the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm going to go in with my fluffy highlight brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and try and see how it looks. So I am actually going to go ahead and grab one more highlighter to put on top of it just to make it a little more bright. So I am going to go in with the Hard Candy Contouring Face Trio. It is in 341. I've had this for so long. I've had this for years. And I'm actually only going to dip my brush into this corner right here. And again, oh my god. That is intense. Okay. Wow. Can you guys... I hope you guys can see this. I just went a little overboard. I did not know this was gonna happen. Okay, well, if you want to glow from outer space, this is the glow for you. Okay, well. This is crazy. This is so crazy. What the hell? Okay. I just dipped my finger into it and tapped it on my nose, and this highlighter is just, I don't even know. It's great if you want to be seen. Literally, you're gonna be glowing. It is so freaking intense on my cheek. I don't even know how I feel about this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Like, I like a good bright highlighter, but I was just not expecting this to happen right now. So I'm just gonna live with it, and we're gonna go with it. I'm going to go ahead and lip line my lips with these NYX Espresso color. It's this one right here. We going dramatic or go home? So I'm going to go in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. This is, what color is this? Happiness in a Bottle. These guys, I think these are $2, and then they always have like buy one get one half off or something like that. So now I am going to go ahead and apply my setting spray. I do not have a drugstore setting spray. I'm sorry guys, but I'm going to be using the Scandinavia one. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more drugstore products than high-end products. I do use a lot more of drugstore than I do high-end. I have noticed that I'm more to the drugstore part than the high-end part, so I enjoy doing stuff like this and showing you guys what I use, what I've tried, what I haven't tried, what is horrible. Like that NYX powder that I use under my eyes, it's just, I don't know. It looks like it's settled in and it's fine, but I don't know if I'll use that again. I used it a few times before and it worked fine, but I don't know what happened this time. But I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time.